Have you ever woken up to a Tesla with a significantly lower battery percentage than the night before, even though you haven't used it? It's a common concern among Tesla owners, and today, we're going to dive deep into the mystery of overnight battery drain. Teslas are known for their impressive range, but what happens when that range seems to disappear overnight? Is it a normal occurrence, or is something amiss with your vehicle? Let's explore the factors that can contribute to overnight battery drain and discuss some tips to help you conserve energy. Understanding battery drain. Standby consumption. Even when your Tesla is parked and turned off, it's not completely dormant. Essential systems like the alarm, battery management, and interior lighting continue to draw power. This is known as standby consumption, and it's a normal part of any electric vehicle's operation. Temperature impact. Extreme temperatures, both hot and cold, can affect battery performance. In cold weather, the battery's internal resistance increases, leading to higher energy consumption. Conversely, high temperatures can cause battery degradation over time. Charging habits. Your charging habits can also influence battery drain. If you consistently charge your Tesla to 100%, it can accelerate battery aging. Consider using a lower charging limit to minimize stress on the battery. External factors. External factors like park location and nearby radio frequency interference can also contribute to battery drain, though these effects are generally minimal. Minimizing overnight battery drain. Optimize charging settings. Adjust your charging settings to limit the maximum charge level. A lower charge level can help preserve battery health and reduce standby consumption. Park in shade. If possible, park your Tesla in a shaded area to avoid excessive heat exposure, especially during hot weather. Disable unnecessary features. Turn off features like heated seats, steering wheel, and climate control when not in use. These features can draw significant power. Consider a battery blanket. For regions with extremely cold winters, a battery blanket can help maintain battery temperature and reduce energy consumption. Regular maintenance. Keep your Tesla in good condition by following the manufacturer's recommended maintenance schedule. This includes regular software updates and battery health checks. Common myths debunked. Myth 1. Teslas have a phantom drain. While it's true that Teslas have standby consumption, it's not excessive or abnormal. Myth 2. Charging to 100% is always bad. While it's generally recommended to avoid charging to 100% frequently, occasional full charges are acceptable. Myth 3. Battery drain is a sign of a problem. Moderate battery drain is normal. If you notice excessive or unexplained drain, it's best to consult a Tesla service center. Does Tesla battery drain overnight? The answer is yes, but it's a normal and expected occurrence. By understanding the factors that contribute to battery drain and taking steps to minimize it, you can optimize your Tesla's range and battery life. Remember, regular maintenance and responsible charging habits are key to keeping your Tesla running efficiently. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.